Welcome to Healthcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about SubTerra Project, building a chain of underground defense cities. Yes, it is. These guys want to realize what everyone, or the most, are just dreaming about. It's this, some underground cities. Underground cities, some already are building and some are still dreaming, and these guys want to make it real. Because underground cities is not new, guys. If you see here, ancient underground cities, thousands of years old, there were always a time people built underground. Why ever? They had their reasons, and I think we will also have this in our time. But let's step further. It is a revolutionary concept and one-of-a-kind vision. Here's a short video. You can look at it by yourself and read some text, but we all know what exactly are underground cities. Easy integration and versatility. The core idea is to create a place where everything inside is carefully built and works seamlessly. Real data analytics of potential disasters. SubTerra will create a data center hub where the main focus will be acknowledge, assess and mitigate in real time all the potential unfortunate disasters which might occur at any given time. And of course, maximize potential through scalability. Building a sustainable project. Main focus will be in trying to implement measures to minimize energy, water and food consumptions, with renewable energy and recycling being a top agenda. So they have to build, they have to create something which is working independently alone. All the resources and all the humans have to find together on one place and live there for many years. Building a sustainable project. And this is what we see here. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. And you can read here some visions of what they have in their mind, and it is a very new project, guys. So May 22, the main site subterraproject.com will be released. It will cover more in-depth all aspects related to the project. This is a very early project, but the token is already listed on the blockchain, but not listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So the token you can buy right now on PancakeSwap. It is available. Just copy paste the contract address. I will put you down under the video into the description. And it's here, SubTerra. So you can already buy some tokens if you want to be one of the first before you will be the last, and see just how others make the profits. Our mission, we have a solid and powerful concept and we will make it happen. We are not here to back down. We will deliver as we promise. As the project progresses, we plan to create a strong community with the same ideals and aspirations. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Anonymous. Our promise, so you can read the path, all these things. I don't want to bore you with so much details, but I want to show you an overview, a quick overview about this project. By falling to prepare, you are prepared to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Yes. Real data analytics of potential disaster, maximize potential through scalability and so on. These things, they were shown in the main page, and for sure they have a white paper It is just a 12-sider, so it's easy to read, easy to understand where they are and where they want to go. We have here a maximum supply of 1 billion token, and for sure we have here a pre-sale of 45%, 5% seed sale, liquidity pool 40%, the founder get 1.5, and the project by itself needs 8.5. That means marketing and so on. You have to pay for it, right? Without marketing, nothing happens, guys. You can have the best project. If nobody knows about it, you're lost. And here's some details about the token. You can read this all by yourself. We have here the roadmap. So it is a very early, we are in a very early stage right now. And you can see they want to start May 22 officially, but you can already invest in that token. How much Twitter follower they have right now? Just 151, but they are real followers and not bought from China with 10-20,000 followers, and nobody knows about this project. And Telegram group, for sure they have also right now 20 members. Join them, guys. It's a very early project. Listen, these things was already there. Underground cities were already here, right? In the ancient time, ancient civilization, everyone was building somehow underground cities. And now we are speaking again about it. And there are guys who want to be one of the first to realize that with a concept, not just dig a hole and throw some containers down and then call it underground cities. No. They want to create here a system independently, system which is working as an underground city. Imagine you don't need from outside help, you don't need anybody. You have resources, you have electricity, you have food, you have everything you have to need, but just in an underground situation, underground city. And this is what they want to build, and this is what they are standing for. Right now, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and for sure they are on Telegram and Twitter. Just join them if you have some questions about this project, or write down into the comments under this video what you think about SubTerra Project. And for sure leave us a like, it will help a lot to go forward with this project. And maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, and see you later, alligator guys. Bye.